Alright, it's Dustin Cole with Sniper's Trapper Place. Just kind of show quick assembly line snare making. When you go do a lot of snares, it kind of helps to do a lot of things in stages. For me, about the quickest thing to do is get all your cables cut to the length that you're going to use. So I've got back there just kind of a little roll table I've got set up. Just got a rebar stake, and I've got my 3/32 cable for my extensions, and then I got my 1x19 1/16 cable and 5/64 cable in my two main snaring cables. I don't do much with the 3/32 other than the extensions, but what I do is I'll get out and I'll just start cutting for my, if I'm doing snares, my coyote snares. These are going to be 48 inches. Then I get them all cut, and then just to make things kind of easier on me, I went ahead and took these cables and I zip tied them together. I had them coiled up because I don't know how well you can see, but there's a little bit of discoloration to the cable. When I coiled them up, I throw them in my trap die pot with the logwood die, crystal, and walnut hulls. And I'm set for a few days, and that way they kind of take a little bit of color to them. I'm not boiling out the oils out of my cable, but where the zip ties had really helped me building my snares is when I get them out, there's probably, I think there's about 4 dozen of these in this cable right here, and when I get them out, they're not flopping around all over the place. When I go to pull them out, all I have to do is just, I can pull one at a time to my next spot. So once I get everything cut, which I can do these cuts, I mean, I just crank them out. I'm taking it here, making my cut over here, done, keep going. I've got the marks right here where this steel plate is, my 48-inch mark, and I just keep rolling. And then after I cut all those cables, I cut all my extensions. I did the same thing. I just pulled it out from a roll, pulled it twice to get 8 foot, and kept going. But so once I get those cuts, it really makes the next part easier. So we'll get to my next snare using the Amberg Release Ferrules. These are the 1x9. These are the 1/16 ferrules. You can use a crimper, or you can modify a swager, but I just rather have the tool and get that set. Now I'm looking for my memory. Get my gooseneck bend done using my slim locks. Get a tab down, drop it, insert using the whammies for the 9-gauge wire ferrule. I'm using the inline barrel swivels I get from Snare 1, New Sterling. I think they're the big red. And there's the snare. Now right now I'm not loading my snares. I'll get those after I get everything done, because it just kind of slows the process having to load every snare. This step here, putting all the components on. This is the quick spot. The slow part of everything is cutting the cable and getting your load right. So I get it made, get it hung up, and then get to the next snare.